The man himself in the building. Iyara, how's everything going, man?
Up in you know, so we quarantine.
See that?
Quarantine, but you know the thing go. We have to share the energy with the fans them same way, because you know music, our life. Music is not just a job, you have us. Yeah.
Real time. Man, listen, man, I've been watching your videos and I'm just seeing your progression throughout the music. Life seems to be doing really well for you right now. Where are you at right now?
Well, right, you know, say, I had me, you know, at this moment, I'm in Jamaica. Yeah, and before we even start the interview, we just want to send a blessing to everybody in the world, you see me? Just want to tell the people if they stay quarantined, just work with the movement or go on because more when that's something clear, everybody alive, same way. You know what I say?
Real time.
So blessing to everybody, not just IRA fan. Me I talk about every single soul across the world. Yeah, real time.
And
But right now, forward to the into the interview now. Yeah, you know say I already have put in work as usual. You know, so we can't out in the street a party now, but ever in the studio still I do my thing and I put in the work and I get the thing going. I just say rich and wealthy. You see me?
see that?
And rich and wealthy just hit 1 million views. So work I put in.
Definitely, definitely. So it's like people around the world, Ira, because right now I'm viewing this right now from LA, and a lot of people want to know exactly what's going on with you right now. Where's Ira at? Who's Ira? And would you mind just introducing yourself to the world in general? Because a lot of people know you, but not everybody throughout the world know who Ira is. So let's just start the formal interview. Let them know more about you. Real time.
Yeah, alright. Well, first, me I go inform them about my name. Iyara. Iyara really mean above the norm. You see me? Because you have I, you have higher, and you have highest. Then you have Iyara,
See that?
which top all of them. You know what I say?
Real time.
So my name really mean above the norm. Yeah. Next thing now, Iyara is an artist where fought from a tranquil little community in a Portland called Bellevue where nomad people live.
See that?
You know what I say?
Real time.
And you know we step up, realize that God bless with our talent, and we believe in ourselves, believe in our talent, and step out so we are pursue with glory. You see me?
Right.
Step in a Kingston from Portland, link up with Bounty Killer nephew when name Advance. Advance, give me the link to Bounty Killer, and we and Killer there and do the thing same way till big up Bounty Killer because we get a great strength from Killer, you see me?
Right.
And we're grateful for that, so we have to big him up every time anyway, you see me? You know, you think about right now, our own way we say it and we do our own thing and I focus on getting forward.
Right.
Yeah.
A lot of people are gonna ask you this, and I'm sure you get this in every interview. Being that you're a protege from Bounty Killer in general, but you're your own man and you branched off and you're doing your thing right now in your own way. Does people still ask you if you get in touch with Bounty Killer here and there? What's a relationship like right now?
You know, sir, the relationship is Killer still the general, you know. Iyara still Iyara.
Right.
You see me? But you know, like how we normally link, we don't link so.
Right.
But the luck still over on my side. You know what I say?
Right.
Me don't over on team side still, but I want to for you do good for me,
Right.
regardless of what happen, man. Me I go always put that on place in my heart. You see me?
Right.
Straight.
And let me just break this down for the world who's watching out there because people like to criticize stuff just like this. When you say stuff, they want to twist it and they want to turn it. Let me just let you know, people, Ira has a clean heart towards the alliance and anybody within the group as well too. If somebody should reach out to him and say, hey, what's going on? Then in general, he has that open heart because he's appreciative of the kindness that Bounty Killer has done for him. You understand? And right now, he's just branching off like any grown kid in a family decide, hey, you know what? I want to go do my thing, create my life, start my life, and do my music in this sense. Ira, what inspired you to get into music?
Alright. What really inspired me still, say, me have an uncle named Shipment.
Right.
When he used to DJ, and as a little juvenile growing up, I always used to see my DJ. So me used to sing him song them, I sing him song them.
Right.
You see me? And while singing him song them, me just get to love it, then me start a write song. You see me?
Right.
Start a write song and realize say, by writing and writing, man, I'm a little friend them around me start cheer me up. Madwas and some other youth them start give me the love, give me the love.
Right.
And I say, yo, your body. It's like me just start develop. You see the growth just start come within yourself till you start expand to a wider world and other people until you say, yeah, your thing are go on.
See that?
And we just grow. Mm-hmm.
Because
so that's where the inspiration come from one of my uncle, and that's where it start from.
And you got several songs that you create. You transition over into several different genres right now with the music. How would you describe the music that you typically create? And is there any limitations towards your music that you said, hey, I wouldn't venture out into that part of the world?
Not on my side. There's no limitation to my music. Because music was made of many different instruments, you know. So I feel like you can fluctuate, do other different things, you see me? Tap in on some other different thing, and just like how we see the hip hop artists, them tap in a dance hall, you know.
Right.
We can tap in a hip hop too.
Right.
So near them a couple little young youth them know about trap and them. I mean, I no problem with trap.
Right.
All they have to do have enough talent so you can step on a trap beat.
You see, and
same way.
Well, and you know, it's coming from a young talented artist, you know, like yourself right now, who is saying this. You know, no problem with trap music. Music is always evolving ever since its inception. You know, it's always evolving. You know, where do you see the music going to from this level right here?
Right now, when we see the music that at the moment is like the root of the music.
Right.
It's like them when we see a going, it's like them a take when the root. It's like them a elbow the root, I should say.
Right, right.
Which is, no matter how a tree grows, the most important part of the tree is the root.
Real time.
You know what I say?
Real
so
time.
Not because they're tapping a trap or tapping on some other thing. You have
Right.
to understand, say, the original dancehall for always stay within whatever you're tapping. You understand what I say?
Yes, sir.
That's why you have to respect the artists them before us.
Right.
You understand what I say? Because at them started. And regardless, times evolve, things change, we always have to have fit them thing to the changing just the same.
Right.
Yeah. So if you notice, if you listen to dancehall beat in the 90s and you listen to dancehall beat now,
right,
we still hear the original dancehall drum, but we hear some different thing to keep you moving. Same way, but we still want to hear say, yeah, them youth there, we build a beat there.
Right.
Them a listen. You can't hear growth within them thing.
Right.
Most of these youths nowadays, they don't listen to nobody.
Well,
just go them thing that they want to do.
We're gonna play one of your songs right here. You know, Rich and Wealthy. One of the songs that has been just stirring up the airways and getting a lot of feedback here on YouTube. We're gonna play this song right here. You want to give a shout out to all your fans in Portland? I got multiple people from Portland right now just tuning into the live stream.
Most definitely.
All
right.
Yep.
Because the whole of fans them out there, man. Portland, you know, I'm home that there's the Kingston, the whole place on my yard.
See that?
Yeah, that's a, but the whole of my fans them across the world just big up on yourself. PK, you produce that one, you know. You know the thing go, big up Peter K Music, straight. Big up the whole own family, you know the thing go. I want to name Rich and Wealthy. And remember, I'm telling you this, fam. You see, non-progressive people can't help you. Surround yourself with progressive element. You understand what I say? Put yourself in a progressive element and then you're going to be able to move forward in life. Non-progressive people can't help with. Rich and Wealthy will say, kick your leather in I feel.
Real time, brother. You guys check out the video right here. Iyara is in the building. Tell real time.
Tim.
Yes, sir.
Is dancehall artist Iyara, who is also associated with